when you're here, you develop a sense of love and care for food.
I came here as somebody who was an enthusiastic home cook, and I can honestly say that I'm leaving as a skilled technician.
It's a good program and it's affordable. And I like baking, that too.
This program definitely teaches you a lot of the fundamentals, like right off the bat with safety, sanitation, just the basic skills and good habits that every kitchen needs you to have.
There's a lot of nuances to making bread, or even just viennoiserie stuff like puff pastry. You just have to do it correctly or else it won't turn out right.
And I didn't understand just how important it is to understand the science and the reasoning behind food. People don't think about how much is behind the reason why, you should boil your water correctly.
You need to learn to rely on others, and not everything can be done by yourself. And not relying on others doesn't just mean asking them to cut some vegetables for you while you do something else. It also extends out to getting their advice and getting their input on things that you are in the middle of that you don't really understand. It's good to get insight from other people in the industry on how you can improve, and I think that sort of speaks for itself.
All the instructors are really helpful, but especially since we have smaller classes, we can get more one-on-one time if we really are struggling.
So yeah, about the partnerships we have. Definitely the farmers market. I've been on the board of directors for the last 6 years, so I always make sure that I always have that connection. We have our annual farmer market meeting dinners here every year. Last year it was on January. We had about 250 people that came in, and we do it all international style. So we also have a garden here on campus. So once again, we want the students to experience, that true farm to fork experience. We don't want to just talk about it, we want to be about it. So knowing the difference between, thyme, lavender, cilantro, and parsley, that's important. So once again, they're seeing this as real world stuff. We're not just going ahead and reading from a book and theorizing it per se.
In the span of a month, my view of how food is created from ingredient to what comes onto the plate and served has completely changed my view of how food is made.
Come with an open mind and come with, an open heart, ready to interact with the people here, ready to receive the information. Come humble, come hungry.
Thank you for coming on this wonderful journey/tour of the Todd and McClaskey Culinary Institute. Looking forward to seeing you, and looking forward to cooking with you very soon.